my viewers and my subscriber, welcome. Guess what? Today I'll be taking you out by the road from, say, Prospect to Morat Bay section that they're working on, and I just want to show you the condition of the road and also the careless driving that taking place on the road during the construction of the road in St. Thomas. Trust me, I saw some driving this morning. You know, actually, I have to really show it to the world the way the drivers are behaving, especially some of the taxi drivers, the public transportation. The man need to start to move better than what they're doing, man. It's sickening, believe me. And every single day, people complaining about the driving, the way they drive. It need to stop. Yeah, man, it need to stop. So this is just a preview of what happened today out by License Road, between License and Retreat Road this morning. So people, watch where you're going, man. Alright, if you look right now, look, you see it? The car that come out of there now, about two of them, you see them come out of there now. And it cause problem now, because they want to go in. So we're in a long line of traffic this morning, and them can't wait. So they come out of the line. So them thinking may try show the condition of the driving from some of the drivers on the road. Look on it. Right? They don't go, so they know actually they're squeezing. The van did not turn back in the inner line, but in turn back, you can't take the pressure, so I go back home. So that van you see a turn now, you know, violate the violation. It's a turn around, so reverse compass to make a turn if you go back to Prospect side. Yes. Alright, if you look, we're still in the line, you know. So we have traffic going eastbound and westbound. Right? So what happened? Some of the drivers cannot wait. Right? So a two line, you know, or two lane. See? And yeah, look what going on out there. See? Look what going on. See, they might come out of the lane, they might come out, you know, and make a different, they might come out, you know, and go down. They pass everybody. Look what going on, people. See what going on? Them things cause problem, the indiscipline on the road. Man, they can't wait. They can't wait. And if you check it out, a taxi where care people, why they can't do better than that? Because they look on that. You see where I go on? So where I go on? You see look on it. I see a taxi that look, see them? Right? Pure probacks on them something, you know. A sudden drive on the road, a sudden behave, man. Them things cause problem. Just show you what's going on this morning, Saturday morning, you know. Yes. Look, you know. Look there. See that? That tax that, you know? Taxi. Why? Why them behave like that? And enough of way I run down the money and the carelessness and the money not help you now put the money to use. Right? Look. A taxi cause a problem. I know some people are vexed with me, but we're not businessman. We need to stop the arms also we are doing. Right? We are as drivers, we need to stop it. Yes. all years, you know, I say I never have a camera way up the top because some man way up the top, you know, and them a cut the line and black up here, so, you know, so some truck they gone up, but because the man them a cut the line and cross through the line, why up here so black up. So we now supposed to go down and we cannot go down because of the same arms house. Right? And yeah, some more arms houses are going the same way, no man, because this not stop it today until them stop work on the road. Right? The man number one, the man now obey the flag people them neither. Pure arms house. Right? Something we kill ourselves now. And we kill ourselves and blame other people at all times because of the dirty slack behavior. Yes. Alright, look on this now. Right? I line supposed to go to America, you know, and man come out to the line same way and a force to come and the flag person they're not obeying the flag personnel them. Look what I go on. They must go gully, you know, because the man not stay in the line, they force to come up. You see the condition where I go on for the road people? Well, I say I go still. Anyway, just continue watching the video people. Yes. So what may I say? If you're this one next parish and I watch that video, one of you know if I saw the drivers them behave in a Europe parish on a truck. Everybody look at it. A big truck a cut line, you know. It's like no discipline. What may I say? I want to know if I saw the people them in a Europe parish behave during construction time on the road. Right? You know, so when this road done, you know, we are going to enjoy it. So make we just wait and make people do the work good, no man. We don't have to behave so. But people are both same way. Them not stop. Them not stop. What you know, sir, the traffic moves slowly. Watch where you're going, sir. You know what? Let me stop talking here, man. I'm give you the road. You know what I'm going. Look where I'm going. Because the man out of the arms house, the man is not stop do it. Yes, my viewers, so and subscribe. So anyway, that was that with the careless and bad driving during the construction zone. But actually, work taking place out by the retreat to Prospect, and you will be seeing that from the Edwards Drive crossing or the road that they call the Cesspool Road crossing straight back to Bloomer Road. Now up on the second layer of asphalt. Right, so them come out and then do that side. So if you look out here now, it's a truck out there, curve wall put it in, the Chinese them out here trying to get this side sort out so that cement asphalt can come in now and continue with the paving of the road surface as it relates to the development of the road in St. Thomas. Right? So this is out by the retreat here right now. And so this is the section out by the Edwards Drive I'm talking. So the Chinese them out there now working, doing them thing right now. Right. So they're there now working. But right, look, getting the things sorted out to move on with the development, the improvement of the road in St. Thomas. So basically this was done in the week since we know, showing you that you're getting the side ready, you're leveling off the side then to put on the second layer, the first layer and the second layer. So you're going to put a layer to the side and then you put on the second layer on the road. So this to show you that yes, they were doing some work out there. In a way, remember I did a vlog the other day and said that this section of the road is a joking thing, and it was like that, don't know what taking place. So now and step up the game and decide that I'm gonna do more work out here. So that basically took place, and now we have a better driving condition from the Edwards Drive Road crossing to or by the Bloomer one. So this is them now out there doing some paving in order to get this side sorted out properly. And remember people, the road smooth, the road pretty, so we are appealing to you, and we are appealing to all of us to take our time on the road, use the road in the manner in which we're supposed to be using it, use it properly, don't overtake when you're not to overtake, don't overtake in a careless manner. Right? I see them out there, them doing the thing, getting it done for us. Right? So see them paving from Prospect coming into Merritt Bay section. Right? So no joke about it. They're doing the work, people. Look, they're there. So I'm just gonna show you now the finished product from out by the Edwards Drive now to Prospect. Alright. So this is Edward Drive crossing or the Cesspool Road. Look. So this is smooth sailing right to Bloomer Road. Right, so people remember, subscribe to the channel for more updates. Hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Share the video, comment on the video, give the video some thumbs up, people. Remember now, if you want to get in touch with the Clarity Boss himself, my contact information will be in the description, so you can go ahead, you can check it out, you can give me a call, you can WhatsApp me, you can email me, you can do anything. And if you want to donate to the channel, you can do so. My PayPal link is in the description. If you want to do it other way, but via other means, no problem, you can contact me, we can make arrangement. But people, this is the latest that's taking place between Merritt Bay and Prospect. So what they're actually doing, they're fixing from Prospect to Merritt Bay, stage by stage. So we have a better driving condition now. So remember, welcome to St. Thomas. Before I go, people, my viewers and my subscribers, I want you to go over and check out Life with Little Gem. Life with Little spell L-I-K-K-L-E, Little Gem. Right? She's a YouTuber, young YouTuber. She started early, but she stopped, but now she decided that she want to come back in, and also she have a young person, she have a dream, an agro woman center, woman farming out by Roselle. You can go on her channel and she will give you some updates. She's gonna give you updates, type of updates as time go by about that thing. So go over and check out Life with Local Gem. Tell him say Clarity Boss himself send you. Man, so people, as I say, thank you to be a part of the Klarityflex Jamaica family. Let us try our best to drive properly, use the road the right and proper way, so we can arrive from point A to point B safe. Understand me? Safe. So until we meet again, thank you to be a part of the Klarityflex Jamaica family. Love, peace and unity. See you in the next vlog out.